Test. Cheeky check. Oh yeah. Just kidding. I don't know how to rap. All right. Do you have another song? One more song? Which one? Yeah. Always start with that. What's this one? This one's category is dreamy. Fast forward it. Oh yes, this one. This is cool. Let's go. Turn this down a bit. Turn me up. Whew. You know, I still get kind of nervous. Oh, this one has words in it. Let me turn it down a little bit more. Yeah. You know, I still get nervous right before I go to this scene and press camera. Oh, I didn't even turn on my other light. Okay, that's better. Hello. Ugh, still get nervous. Even after 3 years of doing this. Hi everyone. Who's in the chat room right now? Let's see here. Bell Squad, what's up? Let's see here. Who we got? Donald, first one in here. Thanks for being here. Steven, Philip. Is it Felipe or Philip? Let me know how am I supposed to pronounce it. Waldemir's here. Waldemir? Tell me how to say your name too. Matthew, tell me how to say your name. Chris, what's up? Wow, you're here. Glad you can be here. All of you. It's really awesome. Yeah. Hope you guys had a great day. Let me turn this down. Hope you all had a great day. The W is pronounced like the English V. So Vladimir. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Okay. Yo, excited to see the build tonight. Yeah, I'm excited too. I don't know what I'm going to build. I'm just going to wing it, as always. I always wing it. I don't know. Hold on, let me move my chat box so I don't have to keep looking over there. There we go. I think that's better. Yeah. Excited to see. Yeah. So, hi. If you're new here, or if you're watching the recording, welcome. My name's Nelson. I'm a customer success specialist over at Webflow, and I do these live streams on my personal channel because I want to challenge myself to do something new inside of Webflow, try out new features, and show you guys what's coming up, and also just to have fun because, you know, web design to me is my own hobby. It's a hobby that turned into a career, a very tough career, and then it became a hobby again when I learned about Webflow. And so now my hobby is also my fun career and vice versa. So yeah, I just want to show you how fun it is to build stuff inside of Webflow, including e-commerce sites. Oh dang, that's coming up soon. So anytime now. Don't have a launch date. And if I did, I couldn't tell you it. But we're working on it. And once it's like bug free and the e-commerce team is like, press the button, go, poof, invites will be sent. And then people will check their inboxes and be like, did I get it? So it's like a little golden ticket like Willy Wonka. But you will get yours if you signed up early. And if you didn't sign up early, you probably did the thing where you shared the e-commerce link. And then they would share with 2 friends. And they would share with 2 friends. And so on. And so on. And the more you share, the more you get higher on the list. So hopefully you shared it as much as you could. So right when the e-commerce team presses that button, poof, you get yours in your mail. All right. So what are we doing today? I wanted to. So Chris Cannon's in the chat room right now. He suggested, hey, do the Apple iPad Pro and that page. And let me just show it to you right now. Let me go to it. Apple iPad Pro. And they announced this today. And I was like, that's cool. To me, it's like whatever, but the little animations like that, that's cool. And then how the text goes inside of it. But, you know, it's not really, I mean, I can show you how to do a simple horizontal scrolling. I mean, it's something that the brand team over at Webflow has done many a times. It's just doing a CSS sticky position, and then yeah, doing sticky position, and then just moving a big wide div from right to left. It's not that hard. But I wanted to try something e-commerce. Hold on, is my lighting bad? I forgot to move my light and my fan. Hold on. BRB. Back to the pre-roll thing. Hold on, real quick. Pretend there's music. Because I'm getting hot in my office. Okay. I'm back. Is that better? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it was super bright behind me. Okay, cool. Anyways, when does this start? It already started. Hi, Philip. You're new here. Welcome. Everyone say hi to Philip. Hi, Philip. All right. So, yeah, like I was saying, this is just, it's simple. We've done this many a times, and it's just the combination of CSS sticky and horizontal scroll. Let's see here. If you want to do something like this, I would search. What would I would search? Webflow showcase sticky, something like this. Building a sticky site. So yeah. So no, not that one. Sticky on scroll. Let me see here. Is this the one? Yeah. So it's basically taking this concept. All right, and I'll put this in the chat room. Taking that concept and also the Webflow horizontal scroll interactions too. This one. Yeah. This one right here. It's just taking these two concepts and putting them together. That's it. And again, Ryan has done it many a times. I mean, the best example is the Webflow homepage where that's sticky, that thing is sticky on the right, but this right here, that's the same thing. Instead of going from right to left on the x-axis, this is actually going right to left and down to up on the both on the x and the y. So you're getting diagonal. So yeah, just take those two things and try to do it. And I've done some sticky stuff in my past streams if you want to go search through my YouTube channel. But yeah, so the iPad Pro page, that's pretty cool. I mean, let me look at it one more time. I mean, again, it's pretty cool. It's something different that they've done. The last time I've seen a horizontal scroll like this, it was the relaunch of MySpace when Justin Timberlake, I think he bought it or something like that, and then he just relaunched it, making it trying to be like a music social media network. And when I was scrolling through, I was like, I'm so confused. But I guess the way they did it here is nice. It's different, yeah, I'll give him that. But yeah, to me, I'm like, maybe I'm jaded because of Ryan, and Ryan's designs are nuts to me. But yeah, pretty cool. And I'm not, if you're at Apple and you help design this, or you're one of the agencies that help design this, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying, like, it's, to me, it doesn't have like a whoa factor, you know, but it does sell the product and it has nice imagery and all that stuff. But I just feel like I'm scrolling forever until I get here, you know. So I don't know. It's a super long scroll. Like, I have the freewheel scroll. I have the MX Master Logitech mouse, and that if I scroll it really fast, it doesn't do the click of the mouse. It doesn't do the click of the scroll wheel. It just spins really fast. So if I spin really fast, it still takes a long time to get to the bottom. So I don't know. Maybe that's just me. You know, different strokes for different folks. All right. Done with the iPad. Gone. What am I doing today, though? I want to play with e-commerce a little bit more. All right. So, Kurs gesagt, Kurs, kids, someone help me. Hold on. Google. How, I typed in Google. How do you pronounce Kurs gesagt? Oh, look at that. Okay, here. What's your name?
Into Cortex. I noticed that Mr. CGP Grey.
Oh, just say it already. Jeez. You can't. You can't even. Oh, here we go. 14 seconds. That's all I need. I don't need a whole minute for you to just say the word. Okay, this isn't real. Jeez. Oh, okay. Whatever. Kurs gesagt. I'll just say it like that. That was a funny YouTube video. Yeah, so they just put out a new video, and I always follow them. I have them on notification and subscribe and all that stuff. If you haven't subscribed to them yet, please do so. You'll learn a lot. You will learn a lot. And looking, oh yeah, they announced the video today was just them announcing their new 12,019 calendar. And so I was like, yep, I'm going to buy it again. I bought it the last 2 years. I'm going to buy it again because it's very beautiful. Their artwork is stunning. It's different, and I've learned a lot from their channel, and I want to support them as much as I can. I love how they explain things. And so when I went to their store, I was like, oh, man. The artistry, the talent that they have at their agency, their group, could do so much better than this store. This store does its job. Yes, it does. But as you can tell, it's a completely different layout. Why? Because they're using a third-party platform called Standard.tv. I don't know how much they pay them for this platform, but if I were them, I would look at, hey, how can we sell it on our own website, you know? And we don't have to pay a third party. We can just sell it directly from our site. And we can customize and keep everything branded to us rather than people going to this page and then learning more about us and everything's branded the same way. All right? And then next thing you know, you go to even their patrons, right? Their patrons page is branded as them. Their contact page, and then you go to jobs, and then shop. Boom, completely different layout, completely different look. So it's like, I get it, but maybe they don't have time to customize their own storefront. That's where Webflow comes in. All right, so let's do this. Let's see here. Okay. So what I want to do is take the first 6 items and make it into a Webflow e-commerce page or store, whatever. But I want to add like interactions and whatnot. I want to make it branded to them. So let's get to it. So first thing I did was, hold on. Okay, cool. So first thing I did was I uploaded 3 wallpapers that I found on Reddit and Google. And I want to see if I can make these. Oh, wait. That's not the right Earth picture. Where is it? There it goes. Boop. Earth. Let me delete this. Cool. And so what I want to do is, like, kind of recreate their YouTube intro. So if you ever see it. Whoa. See, they have nice interactions and whatnot. And the nice artistry, but their shop just falls apart. Let's see here. Let's go to this. That's my favorite. See, look at their intro. Whoa, let's turn that down, please. So look at their intro. they're talking about something, but where's their intro? Where's the intro? Nope. Um. What? Anyways, their intro is like what you call it? It zooms out from the world, right? And so I want to do a thing where it zooms out from the world, and then you go, and then as you scroll in, you're going into the world, and also into their store. Okay, so I want to try that. So let's build an e-commerce page, a custom e-commerce page with an interaction, a scrolling interaction. Yeah, let's go. All right, and again, this is all just coming from my head. I didn't wireframe anything. I just like to just go off the cuff because that's how I roll. Ethan, what is up? Hope you're doing good. All right, so first thing, let's do this. The first thing I want to do is let's go ahead and bring in the earth. Some might say that's a pretty sweet earth. Wrong. All right. This should be centered. So let's go put a section and let's make this centered. Let's go ahead and call this hero, a height 100 VH. Center. Let's go ahead and make this width 100 VW as well and fix this. Because this is the one that's going to zoom out and then the world is going to get from big to small. So let's go ahead and do that. Z-index. We'll set this to 10 because I want this on top. And then I need, let's see here. So that's that. And then let's go ahead and also have another section under it. And we'll call this row 2. So we can make this one, let's say, a height of 100 VH as well. And give this a background. And so what I'm doing is, cool. So what I'm doing is this. And so what if the world can like zoom out from huge to small, okay? So I'm going to take this hero section. Hey, you should fit inside. Let's say the height of this is only like 75%. There we go. Yeah. Actually, when it's done, it should be like right here. And these need to get darker. Let's see here. Can this have an overlay? Yeah, I'm gonna put an overlay, but not an overlay like this, because I want the overlay to be affected. I want this overlay instead of doing this. Right? Instead of doing that, I want this color overlay to also be affected by the scroll interaction. So I'm gonna delete this as well. So if you're a beginner at Webflow, I'm going really fast. So I'm sorry, but these are like a lot of advanced techniques. When will e-commerce come to everyone? 1 to 2 weeks. Well, probably, Kyle said 1 to 2 weeks last Tuesday, so anytime now? Anytime now. All right, let me go back to row 2. And again, I'm sorry if I'm going really fast for the beginners, but this is the speed at which I roll. So I'm gonna do an overlay for background color. So I'm gonna fill that with like that. Actually, let's make it better. That's so basic, dude. We gotta go radial. Yeah, like that. So that way, because the sun hits the earth and the earth shines reflections of the sun, and then yeah, right. Oh yeah, that's much better. Throw this down. All right, something like this. Throw this down just a bit so you can still see. Yeah, see, much more fun. Actually, let's throw this to black as well. Yeah, something like that. Little touches like this will help, rather than just a straight overlay. Boom, like that. Oh, that's so cool. I'm making space. Yeah. Okay, and also in their intro, they have like blue waves or something. Hold on, let me get a. That's their shirt, but they also have. Here we go. So if you can see right here, it has like blue. So 1, 2, 3. So let's get 3 of those. 3 circles. Really simple. All right. How am I gonna do this? This fixed. Can I do something in here? Can I say circle 1, circle 2? Okay, I can wrap this as well. Boom. Nope. Get in there. Cool. Ooh. All right. So remove class on that. Call this image. Oof. Height. Can you be like? Can you calm down and go like 100%? Ugh. There we go. I want this to be 100% of whatever this is. Okay, so this is, I'll call this, instead of image 2, call it Earth. And then this is, let's see here. Gravity. Because it's what's holding Earth down and stuff. Or should it be ozone layer? I don't know. Magnetism? Okay. And in here, so gravity will be position relative, so that way I can have things that are position absolute. So I'm doing the 3 rings. Right? So, and gravity is the one ring that rules them all? I'm dumb. Okay. Ring 1. All right. I'm copying these rings. So ring 1 is like a blue. Let me get that blue. Do I have? No, I don't. So I'm just going to have to copy probably this color. So this is, let's go position absolute, full. There we go. And then the radius is 50%. And we need the blue. Oh, I don't have the extension yet. Okay, add the chrome. Cool. Got it. This earth right here needs to be on top, so we'll set that to z index 10. Ring 1, let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so we can cheat it with transforms scale. Whoa. Excuse me. I tried to press that mute button faster. I couldn't. Ugh. Oh, okay. We're good. I'm going to save this. But now we're going to bring down the opacity. So something like this. And now we can just rinse and repeat. So copy, paste, paste. This one's ring 2. So I can duplicate this. So I don't have to do everything again. Ring 2. And all I have to do is just scale this up a little bit more. Three, 5 or 2? Nope. 2, 5 is. Nope. 3, 5 it is. There we go. And this one has to be lighter. Something like this. And then one more. Duplicate. Boom, 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 boom. Does anyone else watch this YouTube channel? Or is it just me in here? I hope there's someone else who watches this. Please. Anyone? Bueller? Bueller? Cool. I want to do it like that. Yeah? Yeah? Cool. Let me look at their poster. Yeah, pretty good. Almost like it. Kinda. I will after the stream. Really love the art style. Yes, the art style is so good. Nope, I will. Yay! I'm glad I'm spreading the good word of Curious Gazette. You can learn a lot. Please watch Optimistic nihilism. So good. Bookmark this. I don't care if you even go to it right now and watch it and leave the stream. I mean, it'll make you think deeper about life. And you'll be like, oh, now I understand why Nelson loves space so much. And this is one of the reasons why this channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and... So what I want to do is this inside of interactions, okay? So what I want to do is we're going to start... Oh, we're going to start huge, like 20... We're going to start like something like 10, right? So we're going to 10 on the scale. And then as we scroll down, it'll go like to 1. Oop, not 0. 1. Or should it be backwards? Should it be start at 0.1? Yeah, never mind, backwards. It'll start at 0.1, and then as we scroll down, it'll go to 1. Cool? And then once we get here, we'll show the name of the site. Kind of like, God, I wish I had their logo somewhere. Yeah, it'll say it like this, Kirskazat. Okay. And so we'll just type that in. And so their name will show up here somehow. In here. And then after we do that, we'll scale in even more like this. And somehow change the background to this. Where's my birds? So change the background to something like this, and then the store will show up like, we'll have the store like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a grid of 2 by 3. Yeah, a grid of 2 by 3 here, and then you can buy stuff here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get to it in an hour, but hey, we'll go as long as we need, right? All right. So first thing is let's delete that transform. Need one more thing. Let's go ahead and put the name. So let's put one more div block. And yeah, let's push it down. Let's call it name. Push it down. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, right there. You just get the name. Oh, cool. Here's that. And they're using some sort of... Well, see, now that's confusing. They're using sans serif, and then they're using serif. Pick one. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what font they're using, so I'm just gonna fake it. Name to make all the font, all the colors. Ooh. Make sure this is on top. There we go. And let's get something, change it? That looks like it. Look at the G. Here. All lowercase. Oh, that's it. It's probably lighter? No, it's normal. Okay. Let's see here. We'll call this channel name, and then that other one, I don't want to call it name. Let's just call it title wrapper. Everything centered. Let's make everything big. Ugh, because I push it out like this. That's not cool. Alright, we need to make sure that this stays in ratio because the world is a perfect circle. No, it's not. So, what should be the width of this gravity? Let's say the max width is 35. Well, that's not to ratio. Ugh, I don't know math. Okay, I'm just gonna go easy and do it like that. 40. Okay, cool. Now we need another text, and ooh, look at that. I feel like this needs to go around now. And then curve it. It's a curve of space and time. In a nutshell. Subtitle. I'm just gonna be saying that from now on, because that's the theme song. Okay, that's cool. Let's do it. Let's do some cool interactions. Okay, so I'm gonna do some parallax scrolling stuff. If you haven't seen parallax scrolling in Webflow, here you go. So first I'm gonna make a scroll container, or a scroll div, and this dictates how far down I have to scroll to make the interactions happen, right? So I'm gonna say it's like 300 VH, 300 viewport height. So it's this times 3 from the top of the screen right here to the bottom times 3. That's what VH is, right? Okay, let's go to it. So for this scroll, actually I can do a page scroll. So I'm gonna do a page trigger in while page is scrolling. This is what unlocks all that parallax scrolling goodness. Okay. So if someone's like, hey, can you do parallax scrolling? Say yes. Yes, you can. Okay. And you can even say, I've been doing it all day. I've been doing it for months. And, you know, just gotta fake it till you become it. So, scroll interaction. Okay, so this is what I want to do. For my hero, the title wrapper, actually, so here's what I want to do. The hero, the first thing I want to do is the scale. At 0%, this scale is going to be at 0.1. It's going to be that small. But once I hit the bottom of the page, I want it to go, not the bottom. How about at 50%? So I can move this right here, the keyframe at 50%. So halfway down the page, I want it to be here. And so if I press live preview, congrats, it works. Hey, that row 2 needs to be set to fixed. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go back to my page interaction. Let's check it out. Cool. So first thing's done. Easy, right? Second thing, let's set the opacity. So opacity 0, so you see nothing, and then at 50%. Actually, if you're like, nothing's really that linear in space. So how about something like at 20%, the opacity goes to 100. And so we get this. There you go. Cool. Neat. Next. This guy. So first at 0, let's go ahead and move him down. So let's move him down by, let's move him down by 50. And then when you get, actually no, let's move him down 50 right here at 45. And then when I get to 55, the move will be 0. So let's see what it looks like. Cool. All right. So I want that to show up after the Earth stops. Okay. And also, what I want to do is set the opacity to 0 because I don't want to see it yet. But after the Earth stops, I do want to see it. There you go. Parallax scrolling, not too hard. And you just keep playing around with stuff. Let's do the same thing here, but let's see here. Different timings. Let's go 49. And the move is going to be same thing, 50 pixels down. And let's say 59. Right there. Move 0, and opacity 0, opacity 100. Cool, we have our title there. Linear just is ugh. Linear, not a fan. But I guess you can't, whatever, leaving it linear. So preview it. What does it look like? Sweet. All right. So next, the next thing I want to do is also mess around with the overlay here. So this overlay that I made, not part of the background, I did that on purpose because at 0, I want the overlay to be 0%. I want to see the whole galaxy. But then as the Earth comes into view, I want the opacity of this to be 100%. So it starts at 0, and there we go. So you see the world, you see the universe, and then there you go. Okay, last interaction, and then we'll get into e-commerce stuff. Am I selected on row 2? There we go. Row 2. What I want is, this is gonna slightly zoom out as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the scale for row 2 to be 1.25. And then at 50, let's set the scale to 1. Let's see what we did. So I'm trying to recreate some of the artwork that they do on their site. You know, some of their motion graphics. And I'm a big fan of motion graphics. And so see how fast I can scroll up and down on this? Now you can play around with your scroll right here and set that to a higher VH, like 500. Now it takes longer to scroll down. You know, that's up to you, what your timing and everything. Yep. So that's fun. All right. Okay. Lastly, let's go ahead and zoom in into the world. And as I zoom in, a white circle will start. Should it be a white circle? Actually, it should zoom in, and let's make it easier. I'm going to zoom into the world, and the world is going to go opacity 100 to 0%, and as well as the words and everything. So the whole hero row will zoom in a little bit and opacity 0%, as well as this galaxy, and we'll have a transition to the actual store. Yeah? Or should we leave the logo? Let me see here. I'm playing around with it in my head. Maybe make the logo just stick up here, like this. And then the actual store shows up. The actual store shows up here. Let's try that. That'd be fun. Okay. So preview again one more time. So we're here. So we're here. We have the logo. And now let's just move everything up. Let's say, yeah, let's just go at 100. So at the end of the page, this guy goes up and also the background changes. So we're gonna start here. Let's say, let's start at 70. So move the hero start moving the hero at 70. We're at 0. And then at 100, we're gonna move this up to negative 500. Hey Peter, what's up? Good morning. How's your coffee? Sweet. I mean, is your coffee sweet? No, just kidding. All right, cool. So, whoop. Stop there for a good beat. And then go up. And then we reveal products in a different background. So, let me go ahead and... let's go ahead and set up our store real quick. So, what I'm going to do is temporarily turn these off. Okay, because I want a third section to be fixed, and that's going to be the other background. So let's temporarily turn this off. Temporarily turn this off. Back to white screen, but we still have our data here, so no worries. We go here, section, and we're going to set this again to fixed. Height 100 VH. Cool. We'll call this store. In the background is going to be this. Why don't I see you? Hello, store. Oh, is it because... there we go. Cool. So we have the store, and then we'll have the Curiosity logo right here. Oh, we can grid this up. Oh, can we grid? No, I don't think we can grid collection lists yet. So we're gonna have to flex box it. Totally fine. Also, did you know there's a TARDIS right here? Yeah. Yeah. So here we go. Okay, so now that we kind of have our animation going, let's go ahead and put data for our e-commerce. So, clicky, e-commerce. Let's go ahead and just go straight to adding products. Okay? And so we're just going to do a lot of copy pasta. So new product. This is, and if Kiersey somehow watches this video, again, this is just for educational purposes. I love your stuff. I'm just a fan. Please don't hurt me. All right. This store is fake. It's not connected to any bank accounts or anything. It's just fake. This is $25. Cool. Description. Is this... ah, this isn't rich text. Let's see here. Let me create this real quick. And this is how you add custom fields. Like, it's just like a CMS. So I'm gonna call this rich text description. And also I want to add another field for video, because they have YouTube videos for some of their products, like this calendar, which I suggest you get because it's a limited time offer. And if you're wondering why it's the year 12,019, you should watch their YouTube channel to learn more about it, because it's really interesting. Sweet. And it carried over the link to the video. Nice. And let me just copy that real quick. Put the YouTube video there. Did it show up? Yes, it did. Sweet. Do I have to put anything else? I'm gonna leave categories as is. Okay, images. So there's 3 images. So let me save this again. Add 2 more images. Photo image 2. One day we'll have CMS gallery or something, because it's really needed for e-commerce. Okay, now let's get these photos. So we got the main image. Boom. Cool. Let's go ahead and put 2 more. 1, 2. Save. Add a new one. Let's go. 5 more. Coloring book. I'm thinking of getting not the coloring book, the next one. I'll show you. And how much is this? 15 bucks. 15. Oh, oops. Okay, coloring book. Where's the coloring book? That's not it. There it is. Gotcha. That one's there. That one's there. Is there a YouTube video for it? Nope. Cool. Dun, 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 dun. Cool. Save. Next. So it's really this easy to start filling your inventory. And if you didn't see any of the Webflow YouTube reveal, youtube.com/Webflow, check it out. What's next? This is the one I'm thinking of getting. It's like kind of me and my daughter right there. Pretty cute. Only $12. Now I feel like I'm just being a salesman for them. I don't know. That's how I am. Whenever I'm a fan, delete. Whenever I'm a fan of something, like I go all in because I'm like, I research everything about them, and like I want to learn what they've done and what they're gonna do. I don't know. It's just so fascinating, their work. Cool. I like how you can see the thumbnails immediately. That's a pretty cool touch. Next coloring book. Solar system. This is $12. Main image. There you go. Get another one. And another one. Where's the other one? I thought I got 3. Where you at? That's not good. It's kind of get ruined. Oh, here it is. Did I not save that? I thought I did. Save image as. Oh, it's the same thing? Okay, whatever. Just upload it twice. Kinda. Whatever. Oh, nice. Just noticed the TARDIS. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty nice touch that they did. Yeah, they have a lot of Easter eggs and stuff. And like, if you're a Patreon, you can be one of the next ducks in their video. So they really like ducks. And so, I mean, if I was taught about science and biology and stuff by videos like they made, school would be, during like grade school days, school would be much more fun. 12. And if you're watching a recording, you can fast forward. I mean, just copy pasting right now. Alright, so what's their first photo of this? Okay, it's the framed one. Where are you? What? I don't have the framed one? I swear I did. Oh, I did. Right there. Found it. Okay. And I think I need to change the other one too. Right there. And right there. Save. Let's fix this one. The main one is supposed to be framed. Oh, I can't do that anymore. Cool. Save. Sweet. Alright, one more. And it was the spaceships. $12. Okay. Where are you? Spaceship. 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 There you go. Also, FYI, I'm running a new meetups program with Webflow. So if you're interested in creating and running your own monthly meetup in your local community, all about Webflow, hit me up on the Twitter DMs. I'll get you hooked up with stuff. Grow the Webflow community. All right. So that's done. We have our data. Now let's play around a little bit more. Okay. Here's the Earth. Okay. What if I just, because I know I can't use grids inside of collection lists, but I can put collection lists in grids, right? Let's try it. So let's go ahead and put a grid inside of this and see where life takes us. All right. Let's do something like that, and let's set this to 100 VH. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'll go ahead and put the collection list here, and then a YouTube video here on this side. Would that be Q? I don't know. Oh, I'm so unsure of myself. But it's worth a shot just to try to play around. So what I mean is this. Can I do this? I can. Alright, so let's get our products up in here. And I don't want to grid this up because then I'll probably break something. Yeah, it didn't work. Alright, flex it. There you go. Wrap children. I'll just do the old school way. Oh wait, no, not you. Not you. I'm supposed to flex this one, and then this is flex child. So flex. And this is going to be wrap children. This collection item is going to be, we'll do 50%. There we go. That's what I want. All right. And so inside of each one, let's go ahead and make like a card. Okay. So link block inside of that. This will go to the current product. Let's go ahead, link block like that. Push them away from each other by 10. Border radius 5. And make it white. But not, nah. Give me another color. I guess that fit. Something like that. Okay. Now, let's see here. What did they do? Let's do this, where you have the background image of the thing. That's cool that they switch. I mean, we can try that. And so we have the background image of the thing, and then on top of it, inside the same box, is the title, the name of the product. There we go. Let's go ahead and do it like that. Product card, make the height something that fits. That's cool. So I didn't need the background color, huh? That makes sense. And oh, that's centered. What about the top? Well, contain. Cover. Boget, hello, welcome to the stream. Let's go ahead and add some shadows to this so it can kind of come off of the background. Maybe make it blue. Cool, yeah, so it's glowing in the night. Nice. Little subtle right there. Cool. Alright. Size. Play with size a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't want to get too crazy. Alright, and maybe to take it away from the background a little bit more. What if we add this? There we go. Subtle. Subtle right here. Can't really tell at the top, but it's okay. Let's just check out what we got. Okay, so this side right here on the right. There we go. And we can make that. Ah, look how easy that is. Oh, God. Look how easy that. Ah. Okay, having fun. Let's bring this down too. Oh, that's the gaps. So I don't want to mess with the gaps. Can I? No? Okay. I know the. Man. Maybe all of these should just go down instead. Let me edit this. I'm thinking this should span this bottom. Yeah, something like that. And we'll do 3 by 2 instead. Because it's not looking good. So 100 divided by 3. Ah, okay. I feel much better now. Let's go ahead and this looks good. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Let's look at it. Oh, it's too far up. Do I have to edit the grid or something? Let's see here. What if I make this pixels to push it down? Ooh, look what it did for me. Okay. That's nice. Cool. Let's see here. We need a hover effect, and what if they just started off as like a filter of, not blur. Should it be contrast? Nope. Saturation. Cool, yeah, we can go saturation like that. So that way all the colors of the products don't mess with the background artwork. Okay, and then when I hover, it'll become color. Like that. Set a transition for filter, and we're done. Boom. Cool, that's that. And now we need to put some text inside. So this product card, let's go ahead and we'll flex it. Because we don't need grid, because we only need flex because it's on one direction. Okay, 1D. And we'll set that to the bottom. And so what's going to happen is we're going to have the text. And the text is going to be the name of the product. And let's go ahead and call it product name. And, oh, wait, first I need to take out the underline. Product name. Let's see here. The background color will be blue. Something like that. And then white. Centered. Add some padding. Sweet. Do we need to use the Curious Gazette? What's their other font? Or what font is this? Oh wait, no, that's the store's font. What font are you using, Nutshell? Maison New, okay, Montserrat it is. All right. No, we'll leave it like that. Wow, it has to say in a nutshell all the time? I didn't catch that. Oh, look at me. I went here thinking that my products were in here. I bet you a lot of people are going to do that. Delete that. Delete that. Because it's just so redundant. And it says in a nutshell because that's the... I guess that's what they had to do because they're on a different platform. But that makes sense because I already know I'm in a nutshell website. So why would I even have to, you know? Should be 5 or 3. Actually, yeah, it should be 5 on the border radius. Or even 10. Because they're very... I mean, look at this bird's head. It's very round. Alright, so there we go. Now let's do an interaction on hover. So what's going to happen is start animation, hover in. I'm going to select this. and move. The initial display of this is going to be outside of the box. And then when I hover over, it'll go back to here. Yeah, right there. And don't worry about the weirdness. I'm going to set the overflow to hidden. Okay. Linear is going to be cubic. And let's go here and just fix that overlay weirdness. Back on the hover. Cool. That's it. That's all I need to do. And now on hover out, start animation. And I can just do, nope. I can just do duplicate. And this one is going to be hover out. Delete that. This is no longer set initial. And now cubic, and we're done. I said we're done. What happened? Okay. Okay. Hey, you're not working. Why? Okay, let me just check to see if it's working on the publish site. Come on. Wow. We're at 0.1 dropped frames. Only 220 dropped frames. Again, this is the reason why I was dropping frames last time. Ah! It's a bad USB-C hub. Okay, so this is working. Sweet. I don't like that line under. Why? What? How come some have it and some don't? Or maybe the hover in. Okay. Is it the border that's causing this weirdness? Probably. Alright. No border for anyone. Yeah, looks better. I'm gonna have to publish it again just to see it. Not sure why this is not working. Alright, refresh. Hey. Refresh. Much better without the border. Cool. Alright. And I was gonna put a YouTube video, but that doesn't seem like it'll work. So let's just finish this page up and then move on to the product page. And I think the product page is going to be the last page I'm going to be doing for today. But just trying to experiment to see if I can do interactions with e-commerce. And the answer is, of course. So let's bring back this guy. Let's bring back this guy. Alright, and we have some overlapping issues, so let's make sure that this hero is set to z-index 10. This row 2 is set to z-index 9. Beautiful. Now let's go back to this, and let's see what's happening. Go up. Okay. Now as I go up, I want row 2. So row 2 is right here. So row 2, I want you to fade out. How about we scale and fade out? Let's see here. How would we scale? Would we scale up or down? Let's go ahead and scale back down. Or up. Ugh, I don't know. So this scales at 1, so we'll start at 1 right here, and then at 100 we'll scale it to 1.5, and let's start the opacity here at 100 and end the opacity at 0. Oh dang. Nice. And so if we preview, actually, that shouldn't. The universe should go away like right here. It just seems weird. Or is that good? What do you guys think? Well, let's change this to store while I'm waiting for you guys' answer. Online store? Boom, boom, boom. That was fun. All right, let's make a product page. Cool. Okay. Next, let's go to a product page and products template. I want to bring in something. Wait, something looks weird. Is it because of this? Oh, strange. What would be next? If you guys want to see it, here's the link. All right. So we got that going. So if I were to click on one of these, let's go ahead and if I click on one of them, I want to copy this hero and the store row. So let's go ahead and do this. Go to product template, put that there, and call this child. Thanks, Vladimir. And let's move this up. I forgot how far I move it up. It was like 500 or something. Let's go 400. Or is it 408? I think it was like 408. For some reason, that number's coming into my head. All right, let's get row 2 up. Oh, yeah, good times. Gray screen of death. Again, that's beta. That's why you don't use it on live sites until you get the invite. Don't try to sell anything. It's all good though. All right. Cool. I can paste that and the collection and everything. We're all good. All right. Let's fix this grid now. Let's see here. Product. Oh no, I don't want to change it. I want to duplicate it. Product page grid. Okay, because I don't want to affect the other one on the home page. I want to affect just this one. All right. So just maybe I don't have to change that. Maybe I just move this somewhere else. I need to make this smaller. So what if we make this all one row? So let's see here. What if we can just do 100 divided by 6? And there we go. And we can make this bigger. Right there. Just make it go to the bottom row. Bottom row. Yo! 100 divided by 6 doesn't work. How about down? Okay. And can I center it? Aha! I can. Sweet. Let's look what it looks like. Nice. But I need you guys to be smaller and lower. So can I do this? Can you like... But that's playing around with the gap. That doesn't work. Do I have to add another row? Let's see here. Again, I'm still learning all this stuff. I want to put you all the way at the bottom. Do as I say. Okay, very good. So what I'm going to do is let's put the product here. I know this is a weird layout. Or maybe this should go all the way to the left. Inside the tree. Yeah, I think that would be cooler. Hold on. Let me move this. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, I think I have to use percentages for the width. Negative 100%. Bring it back. Cool. Will you stay there? Yeah, you will. Because percentages work better than pixels. By the way, yes, Webflow lately somehow sick. Yeah, yep. There's some bugs here and there. But that's why we have the support team. And we report it. We report things that you guys report to us to the engineers. And hopefully they can fix it as fast as they can. Like, there's so many moving parts to Webflow. You know, I don't know how the team does it. And I'm always, like, amazed at what they do. So, yeah, please report everything that you see to the team, university.webflow.com/contact. And yeah, we want to make sure that it works. All right, so let's go ahead and put the product here. Let's put the image, so I can drag in an image. No, not there. Here. Oh, here. Main image. Cool. I'm going to throw that up here. And then let's do it like something like this. I don't need you that big. Or maybe you have to be that big. Whoa. Okay, this is way too many. What if I delete you? And then delete you. Too many rows. Okay. Okay, you. No, this one. Need you to come back up here. And I've just messed it up. Whoa, whoa. I need to learn grid more. This is not working the way I wanted it to. Okay, I'm gonna undo everything and let's try again. What if I put you right here at the corner? You stay at the corner. You go here. Now I'm gonna pull the image. Okay, not too bad. If I preview it, not too bad. Cool. So this is a very unconventional design. Put a div block here, and inside this div block, this is where we're going to put our div information. So product info. Let's go ahead and make it white. Round it out by 10. Padding inside. Okay, cool. Let's get the name of it. Let's make sure that we're using the right font. Change a 1. What? I set normal and it's still bold like that? Weird. Whatever. Let's go ahead and put the... This is not going to fit. Oh, it does, kind of. Oh, this is such a bad layout now. It was good. It was good. Help me. Oh my god. So bad. So what if I put you here? Can't even see the other content. I can't even scroll. I suck. The store, is that... Set it to auto. What happens? Height auto. There we go. But the background doesn't go with it. Why? Come on. I believe in you. There we go. Oh, that's cute. This is why we wireframe, kids. So you don't look like you don't know what you're doing. Alright, so you won't look like you don't know what you're doing. Alright, add to cart. Flex that. Wait. There's more? Default state. There we go. Yeah, put it to the side. Like that. This has that going on. Cool. Oh, we also need the price, don't we? That's important. Price. And let's go ahead and change that to price. Change it to change of 1. And lastly, we'll go ahead and make this Montserrat. Cool. So what does it look like for everything else? Ugh. Oh, and then we have to do the color of the rich side. Ah. Why does it end there? Okay, I just want to fix that one last thing. Why does the store background just end there? Why can't you just go all the way? What? Is it because you're set? Oh, okay. There it is. Troy from Carlsbad, what up? Welcome to the stream. You're up late. Product image. Can I set this to 10? I can. Sweet. I wish I can like line these up somehow. Let me see here. Can I line this up vertical end? Oh. Well, I can. Oh. Well then. It's not too bad. It's not the best. But I mean, it's nice. Nice start. Actually, one more step. This needs to be a gallery. These needs to be a slideshow because I uploaded 2 other photos. So let's do a thing. Okay, so you cannot do CMS galleries yet, but you can kind of fake it. And so I'm going to try that. Let's do a slider. And slide 1 will have slide 1. This one is going to have background image, main image. And this is going to be like that. We go to slide 2. We do the same thing. Background image. Slide 2. Wait, why does it still say slide 1? Slide 2. This. Yep. And then lastly, slide 3. So we need to add one. Add a slide. That's weird. There we go. Slide 3. Get the background image. And then put that there. And there we go. So as long as all of your products have the same number of images, you can get away with this. If it doesn't, then you're gonna have some weird blank slides and probably some errors here and there. Okay. Hey, I set this to border radius 10. What happened? There we go. I had to do overflow hidden. Cool. Maybe I should make this bigger? Let's see here. No. Ah. Why do you do the things? That's so strange. Why do you do that? Can I stretch? Oh, I was already stretching. Okay, and... Okay, so what if I do this? Let me put this one more up and also... Can I do this? And then... Oh, it's already going up. I don't know the life. I don't know the grid life. I've been doing stuff non-grid for the longest time that this new grid life is so different to me. Alright, I think this is it for now. Let me publish and see what it looks like. My son is on my lap, I'm always late. Oh, is it because your son doesn't want to go to sleep or something, so he's super young? Dad life. Okay, so let's refresh this. What just happened? Oh, because the thing. It's because I set something to auto. The store? Yeah. Store is supposed to be 100 VH and fixed. So that's what happened. And then... Oh, these guys. Am I supposed to set another different class for you? Ugh. Learning this grid life is... Oh, no. It's because this... There you go. Collection item. Home page. There. So it's 100 divided by 3. And there we go. And then when I go to... Wait, I need to turn these back on. Alright, let's double check the home page. Okay, cool. Done. Products page. Okay. I understand it's gonna be broken. So let's just call this product. This is gonna be auto. So I messed with classes that was already set on the home page. So that's why those things happened. And let's just go ahead and preview it. Alright. Saved it. Let's preview it. Cool. Sing to us, Nelson. I just did. Alright. Let's refresh. Give you guys the link one more time. Let's journey across the universe. Boom. Okay. And these don't work. Why? Z-index. Alright. The reason why is because this interaction, it just makes the universe go opacity 0, but moving my mouse around, it doesn't work because it still thinks that I'm on top of the universe. So I have to fix my page scrolling thing. So it's right here. So this goes to opacity 0. right? So let's move all of these to 99%. And then row 2, I'm going to set I can't? I can't set this to display hide. Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Oh, yeah, you can't. So that's fine. I'll move this negative 100%. Or, yeah, I just want it off the canvas. See, it's on the canvas right here. Take it off the canvas. Something like that, 130. And it's asking for original move. Fine. Move 0%. Okay, let's try it again. So these activate now. That's cool. Let me publish. Sing it with me. Dum, 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 dum. There we go. These work now. So what I did is I moved that invisible element off the canvas. Click here. Yay! A very confusing experience, but it's unlike any other e-commerce page. Yeah. Cool. One more thing. Can we please add the YouTube video since I already have it? So you can do conditionals inside of Webflow, which is really cool. So watch this. I'm going to put in a video. Boom. This video is going to come from products, YouTube. So set a conditional, meaning if YouTube is set, show it. If it's not, then don't even show it. So if I go here to the calendar, it'll show it. And let's go ahead and make this end. Cool. A very bad looking web page. But a web page nonetheless. This is what happens when you don't wireframe. And you just go off the cuff. But that was fun. Yeah. We'll all get better. Thank you, Vladimir. Or no, Andrew. Sorry, you had the same icon as Vladimir. Yeah. 11:05. Yeah, I think that's time. Because I need to sleep after I have fun. But yeah, what do you guys think? And I'm holding these off. Usually what I do is I let you guys clone these. But I'm holding off on these, the e-commerce ones, until you have your e-commerce invite. So once they start inviting, I'll ask. Can I invite the people in the chat room? Can I? The people who are in the live chat room right now. So I already have your names on there. YouTube records the chat, as you can tell if you go to the YouTube page. Not just the YouTube embed video, but on the YouTube page, you can see a replay of the live chat. So just the people in the chat, I'll ask for you guys, okay? So people are talking in chat now. Daniel, yo, what's up? I've been watching, never chimed in. Oh, Daniel, hopefully I helped you with your support ticket. Hopefully that really helped. But yeah, thank you, everyone. You have any questions? Let me know right now. You guys have been really quiet today, but it's all good. It's kind of like watching a Bob Ross, you know, you just zone out and like, oh, okay. And you're like subliminally taking it all in, getting ready for that e-commerce life. Yeah. I need to learn how to make e-commerce pages. And I need to learn grid. Ugh. Hold on. Where's my Bidemic? No, I do so much for the community because I know you guys will take this knowledge and do something awesome with it. And the community has done so many great things with it, and it blows my mind when like something new shows up that like I've never seen a website do, or something very, very clever that you take a very simple, like history of animation, that one site or that one page was so clever in using the simplest interactions, and like some of it was not even interactions at all. It was just overlaying of background images that had transparent backgrounds, that kind of stuff. Clever little things just fill me with joy, and I love when the community does that, and I want to see more people do that. And that's why I'm going around to different places. Like Friday, if you're in North Carolina, look up AIGA Rally, and there's an event, a Webflow event. I would love to see you there. I'll have some swag for you. And we'll have like a sign-up sheet, a sign-in sheet. So if you sign in, you write down your email address and your shirt size, I'll send you a shirt. All right. Let's see here. Let's go here. Look at all those people. Which way? That way. Hello, friends. Thank you so much for being here. Let's play a song. Yes. Do I overplay this one? I think it's good. You guys are awesome. Like I said, you guys, the community, is what makes Webflow Webflow. Without the Webflow community, we wouldn't know which path to take. We wouldn't know which feature to work on next. You guys are the ones that help push this forward. Did you know Webflow did not have a marketing team for 4 years? You know, everything is grassroots. Everything was done through the forums, Twitter, social media, and all that stuff. And people just continually told people. And so the idea that Vlad and Sergi had just grew organically. And so now we're trying to get the word out even faster, and we now have a marketing team. And you have Ryan, who's making awesome stuff, Ryan and JP, who's making awesome designs, and the rest of the marketing team, like Adam and Mariah on content, John, Tim, Bryant, like they are amazing, and they're like trying to get the word out in the most genuine, honest, and transparent way as possible, because we know this isn't the end-all be-all tool, but we want to make it the tool for the community that will lift us up, because we're there for them and you guys are there for us. And that's another reason why I do these streams, because you guys are there for us, you guys are there for me, and I want to be there for you. So if you're in North Carolina, I will see you Friday. If you're in a place that doesn't have a Webflow meetup, hit me up on Twitter, DM me at the Pixel Geek. Let's start a meetup in your area. Maybe I can fly there and say what's up to your community. Let's grow this community. Love you guys so much. Thank you. Let's end this off. How do I usually send this off? I was thinking about ending off the Webflow YouTube. Oh yeah. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, tickle the bell for notifications, be part of the Bell Squad, and you'll know when I go live. I usually go live around 9:30 every other day, 9:30 p.m. Pacific. I stream for an hour and a half or something like that, and yeah, we just have fun together learning about web design. I think that's about it. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.